If you own a home service-based business, I'm willing to bet that you have heard the term SEO thrown around, maybe from a digital marketer like me, or maybe you got a cold call from someone who promised that they could get you on the first page of Google within the first few weeks. And then you thought to yourself, I don't even know what SEO is, and I'm not even really sure if I need it. Well, you're in the right place. My name is Ronnie Knuckles. I'm the owner of Crest Digital, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what SEO is, why it's important to your business, and what you can do to work on your SEO on your own. No tech degree required. Here's the thing, SEO is changing. We're going to talk about some new concepts that you need to know about, specifically AEO and GEO. And don't worry, I'll explain what those mean in just a few minutes. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, but let's forget the jargon for just a minute. Here's what it really means. When someone is in your area and they need a dumpster, or maybe they're looking for a furnace that will heat their 2,500 square foot home or whatever, the first thing that they are going to do is pull out their phone, they're going to go to Google, and they're going to type in something like dumpster rental near me, or furnace repair or furnace installation company near me. SEO is simply making sure that your business shows up when they make that search. That's it. It's about being visible when your customers are looking for you. Think of Google as one massive phone book. SEO is just making sure that you're not only in the phone book, but that you're on the first page so that when someone searches for the service that you offer, they're finding you and not your competitors. It's not magic. It's not some secret code. It's just understanding what Google is looking for and serving it up to them. Now, here's the thing. SEO is changing. And that's why I wanted to create this course for you right now. The way people search is changing, and you need to be ready for it. You've probably noticed this if you've Googled anything lately. Google now often shows an AI-generated answer right at the top of the search results. This is called an AI Overview or a Generative AI result. You see, when I make this search, instead of just showing you a list of websites, Google's AI reads multiple sources and generates a direct answer. This is why we now talk about AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization. It's not just about ranking in the search results anymore. It's about making sure that your content gets featured in those AI-generated answers. Now, this goes beyond Google. Millions of people are using AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and others to ask questions and get recommendations. Now, watch what happens. The AI gives detailed recommendations based on information that it finds online, from your website, your reviews, your Google business profile, directories, citations, and articles written about your business. This is GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. It's about optimizing your online presence so that AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google's AI will recommend your business when people ask for help. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great. Another thing that I have to learn when I barely even understand what SEO is. Well, here's the good news. The fundamentals of good SEO feed into AEO and GEO. When you create helpful content, get good reviews, make sure that your website is clear and informative, build authority through quality backlinking, you are also doing proper AEO and GEO. All of these work together, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this course. Think of it this way. SEO gets you ranked in traditional search results. AEO gets you featured in AI-generated answers and snippets. And GEO gets AI chatbots to recommend you. And the beautiful thing? About 80% of what you do for one is going to help all three. So when I say SEO throughout this course, I'm really talking about all three. Don't overthink it. What we're doing here is looking to the future and making sure that your business is future-proofed. Now, you might be thinking, I get customers just fine through referrals and repeat business. Do I really even need this? Let me share some numbers with you on getting new customers. So the average cost per click for dumpster rental ads on Google is somewhere between $8 and $25 depending on your market. This means that every time someone clicks on your ad, you're paying that much whether they call you or not. So if you wanted 50 new customers to click through to your website from your paid ads, you could be spending anywhere from $400 to $1,250 every single month forever. With SEO, AEO, and GEO, once you get them set up right, those clicks and recommendations are free. Now, don't get me wrong. Ads have their place. We manage ads campaigns for our clients. But the SEO, AEO, and GEO are going to save you money month after month once they are set up properly. Here's what really matters. According to Google, around 46% of all searches have local intent. People are searching for things like dumpster rental your city or dumpster rental near me hundreds of times every single month in your area. And now we're seeing data that millions of people are using AI tools for things like, what size furnace do I need for a 2,500 square foot home? Or how much does it cost to rent a dumpster? Or what size dumpster do I need for a home renovation project? The question is, when they search on Google, does your business show up? When Google's AI generates a response, does it mention you? When someone asks ChatGPT for a recommendation, are you on that list? And if not, you are invisible to a massive and growing chunk of potential customers in your market. Okay, right now I want you to do a test. Pull out your phone, or if you're on a computer watching this, pull up an incognito window and type in dumpster rental plus your city name. Where do you show up? Are you in the top 3? Are you in the map pack? Are you even on the first page? Now let's do this next test. Search for what size dumpster do I need? Does an AI overview appear? And if so, are any of your competitors' websites mentioned as sources? Now we're going to go over to ChatGPT. It's completely free. You can have the paid version if you like. This is the free version. Ask it, recommend a dumpster rental company in your city, or recommend a furnace repair company in your city. And what do you see? If you're not showing up in these places every single day, you're missing out on customers who are ready to spend. And if they're calling your competitors, that's lost business potentially forever. Now, let me show you the 3 main ways that people are finding companies that offer services like yours online today. Traditional Google search. This is still huge. The person that needs your service right now. This is a hot lead. They're ready to call. Classic local SEO is going to get you here. Google AI Overviews. Google's AI reads content from multiple websites and creates an answer. If your website has great content, you can get cited here. This is AEO in action. AI chatbots. People are having full conversations with AI to research and make decisions. And if you've optimized for GEO, you get recommended here. The businesses that win are the ones that are showing up across all of these platforms. And the strategies that I'm going to teach you in this course are going to help you get there. In the next 9 episodes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to dominate in all of these channels for your home service-based business. Here's what we're going to cover. In episode 2, we're going to talk about how Google, AI overviews, and chatbots actually work and what they're looking for. In episode 3, we're going to talk about how to find the exact keywords and questions that your customers are searching for to find your service. In episode 4, we're going to talk about optimizing your Google business profile to show up better in the maps and to get AI recommendations. In episode 5, we're going to talk about making sure that your website ranks higher and gets featured in AI answers. In episode 6, we're going to talk about creating content that both humans and AI large language models love. In episode 7, we're going to talk about some technical essentials without all of the technical headaches. In episode 8, we're going to talk about building high authority backlinks from local sources. I'll walk you through exactly how to get them, including partnering with local businesses, chambers of commerce, local suppliers, and industry associations. These backlinks are going to tell Google and AI that you are a trusted and established business in your community or in your field. Episode 9, I'm going to walk you through how to track success and know what's working. And in episode 10, I'm going to give you a complete 90-day action plan so that we can pull all of this together. I'm not going to use confusing jargon or teach you tactics that only work for Fortune 500 companies. This is going to be a practical, step-by-step SEO, AEO, and GEO guide specifically designed for home service-based businesses. Can you do all of this in a weekend? No. This is going to be a marathon. It's not a sprint. But if you can commit somewhere between 3 and 5 hours per week, you can see some real results in 60 to 90 days. Here's the best part. Once you set this up right, it's going to begin working for you 24/7. While you're sleeping, while you're out delivering cans or installing a new HVAC system in a home, while you're out with your family, Google is going to find you. Google's AI is going to recommend you. ChatGPT is going to recommend you. And local websites are going to link to you. This is going to equate to customers calling you. Here's what a realistic timeline will look like. Month 1, you'll set up the foundation. Your Google business profile, basic on-page website optimization, your first pieces of content, you are not going to see traffic just yet, but you're building. In month 2, you're going to start building some local backlinks and some local citations. You're going to start getting some reviews, creating more content that is optimized for AI. You'll start to see your first bit of traffic appear here, and your rankings will begin to subtly increase. In month 3, you'll start to see some more consistent organic traffic. You'll be showing up in some AI answers, and you'll be getting around 5 new leads per month from your SEO efforts. Most of your competitors are not doing this yet. They're still stuck in 2015 thinking that keyword stuffing is what is going to get them ranking. They're not thinking about AEO or GEO. So by implementing these strategies now, you're going to be light years ahead of your competition. So let's do this. In episode 2, we're going to break down exactly how Google AI Overviews and chatbots actually work. And I'm willing to bet it's a lot simpler than you think. Thank you for watching episode 1. If you found this valuable and you want to future-proof your home service-based business, whether it's dumpster rental, HVAC, roofing, window installation, whatever that home service-based business is, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the rest of the series. If you have questions about SEO, AEO, or GEO, they may be answered in a future episode. But if you have a question that you want answered right away, drop them in the comments. Find me on social media at Ronnie Knuckles, or send Crest Digital a message through spearcrestdigital.com. In episode 2, we're going to demystify SEO and pull it all together so we can see how it actually works to help you get some more customers. We'll see you on the next episode.